Yeah, star.
No.
Yeah. Can you say avocado?
Avocado.
Good boy.
Honey.
Yeah. You say robot? You say robot?
Go back.
Good boy. Can you say cauliflower?
Avocado.
Oh, that's some good cauliflower you got there. More? More what? Cauliflower? Yeah, here's more cauliflower. No? More chicken? More avocado? Can you say avocado? Do you want some grapes?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you say grape? Kind of. Alright, here you go, bug. Oh, it's grape time. Here's another grape. That was good? I guess so.